Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys what you should know if you guys want to make money on Instagram. We're just going to go over a few tips and tricks that have helped me excel with some of my businesses on Instagram and help me make money online. So I hope you guys are excited. We're going to go. Alright guys, so here we are. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, today's topic is going to be what you should know if you want to make money with Instagram. This is just going to be some quick tips and tricks that I have basically gone through myself over the years of promoting affiliate products and my own brands on Instagram. And just some things that I wish maybe I would have known when I first started and what I think will help you guys out with a lot here today. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is quality is key. You guys might have seen this in some of my other videos around Instagram, but to be honest, this is probably one of the most important parts. When I first started, and maybe some of you guys are doing the same right now, I would just continuously post a bunch of stuff kind of related to what was going on in hopes that basically people would see my content all day long and then they would want to do what I'm asking him to do. That is the most wrong approach that you could possibly take with Instagram. You don't want to sit here and promote things all day long. For one, it's still not going to show up on everyone's feed like the way you think it is, just the way that Instagram works. The way that they show things in order, it's just not going to happen that way. It really goes off of the engagement your photos are getting and what kind of likes they're getting, as well as let's say that if I liked a dog account or something, if I liked photos from that dog account all the time, pretty much every single post they have, it's going to show those to me more prevalent than some of my other followers that I might not really pay that much attention to. So again, quality is key. You don't want to post quantity. Even though you think that posting 100 times a day will help you out, it's not going to do anything. And the benefit of posting quality is again, basically, you're going to show up more on the feeds of the people who are liking your stuff, like I explained a minute ago, as well as you will show up on places like the Explore feed that you see on the side of in the photo here. This is just where basically anyone can click and explore. You can show up on this feed if you're posting some good quality stuff and people are actually out here liking it. So that's the first tip that I give out. It's something that I definitely believe in, I definitely recommend in. And I've noticed that over the years with Instagram, the more that I post quality stuff, the better that I have. Secondly, is you want to make a business page. A lot of people don't know that when you sign up for Instagram account, you're signing up mainly for a personal account, unless you connect it to a Facebook page. It doesn't have to be a super active Facebook page. You literally can create a Facebook page just to get the analytics from your Instagram. But this is something that you're definitely going to want to do if you're looking to make an income from Instagram, from your Instagram account. So you can do that by going into the settings and switching it to a business account. It's usually right there in the settings. You can see that. And like I said, it's just going to connect to a Facebook page. So you'll just need to set up a Facebook page before you do that, or during the process, just be aware that that's going to ask you for that. But the benefit of this is it's going to let you get a lot of detailed analytics that are going to help you out with, let's say, the recent growth over the last week, what kind of impressions you're getting, what kind of basically the time of the day your followers are active. As you can see here, it even breaks down the age ranges for everyone, for men, for women, what countries they're from, all types of analytics that you can see here. And these type of insights will help you with things like content scheduling, what times of the day are going to be the best times to post, what kind of audience is liking your posts. Like I said, you can see between men and women, so you can kind of see if it's performing better for men or for women, where your followers are from. This will kind of help too. Let's say if you are promoting CPA offers, you can know which CPA offers are promoting best, or not best, which countries are working best for your audience. So if you have a super large German audience, you can start promoting CPA offers for German, or at least you know that you need to be posting in German. You probably already are if you have a German following, but that's just an example. I'm sure you guys understand. So that's step 2. The last one is build an email list. So this one is super crucial. That's why I have it in here last. This has helped me tremendously, is build an email list. So you might as well be taking advantage of any of the clicks that are going to the link in your bio on Instagram. So usually what I recommend is to offer something for your audience to take advantage of. So for example, for some of my e-commerce sites where I'm selling some of my own products, I will offer them a discount of like 15% off or 20% off or something kind of like that, maybe free shipping. For something where it's affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, I might offer like a free ebook, or if it's maybe something, not necessarily CPA offers because this kind of goes to a different approach, but for like affiliate marketing, you can offer the ebook, or let's say it's some kind of weight loss thing, you can offer like a meal week plan, things like that, a recipe plan, recipe books, things like that you can offer someone for free that they would be interested in exchange for an email. And later what you can do with these emails is you can retarget them with some of your CPA offers that are giving out maybe like some sweepstakes type things or travel opportunities, things like that. And you can also retarget them with other affiliate products related to your category. So this works out great for projects not only right now, but also down the road that you might have in the niche. So these 3 tips are what I think you should know if you're looking to start making money on Instagram. They've helped me out a lot personally, and I'm happy to share them with you guys. It took me, a little bit to kind of catch on to some of these things. They might be super clear and obvious up front, but until you actually start doing them, you don't really see how beneficial they could be. So just keep all these things in mind if you guys are thinking about running any kind of businesses on Instagram or making money on Instagram. These are some things that you're going to want to keep in mind.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.